much did they spend on admission?
$5.
What do you do with that number?
You have to add it for your lunch.
How much was the lunch?
Well, you have to write down the numbers so they can see. Silly. Not everybody has photographic memory, and I sure am not one of those people.
How much did they spend on lunch?
I do.
You.
$6.50.
What do you do with those two numbers?
3.
Ew.
Add them together. Subtract. Maybe add together.
How much
That's
are
quite
they?
a lineup there. Oh, you're adding. I got you. You're adding those two first.
How much are they when we add them? Nine.
$11.50.
50.
Oh my gosh. My mom's phone.
What do you do with that number? Nathan.
That's okay. What are you going to do with it? You have this number, and you have this number. What are you going to do with those two now? You're trying to find out how much she has left to spend on what? What does she spend? Yeah, how much does she have to spend left after lunch? Are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Subtract, right? Confidence is key. There you go.
That was the worst 5 Whenever you subtract these, what do you get?
What should we do with that 20 before we subtract? Mark those zeros.
I could solve it. Your number $9.50. Nope. Morgan, line up your number. It's $1 less. Line up your number. $8.50.
Good job.
What?
Perfect. Give him a nice little round of applause. Alright, so what are we going to be pros at after this year? Teaching, but what else? What are we working on?
Division. Middle school. Division.
These are all problems, right? These are all problem solving, yes?
I've already mastered it.
Hi, Miss Reagan. Alright,
Hi, Reagan.
so Joe bought red roses. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Joe bought red roses at a flower shop. Well, that's a good place to start. He gave the roses to his sister. He spent $60. How much did each rose cost?
How many roses? We can't do that one.
Why can't we do it?
Missing information. It didn't tell you how many roses.
Missing information, right?
You were wrong.
Okay, so let's make a problem. So Joe bought red roses at a flower shop. He gave the roses to his sister. He spent $60. How many roses did his sister get?
50.
Alan, give me a number. 3 roses. Ooh, these are going to be some expensive roses. All right, split them up. How much? No, actually do 4. 4 roses.
Go back there. They're very lucky.
They're rare roses, that's why. I have to do this.
I know. study my intelligence.
I can twist up my hair.
You might scare everybody, but you can hear next.
Oh, yeah. Stare into that camera.
But
Yeah, look at her.
all right,
She's no reason to put your hand over the camera, then she's just standing there.
are we all right?
Okay, so what's our problem?
Hold on, wait for everybody. We're missing a few.
Is everyone ready?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Savannah. So what do we do first?
How many times 4 goes into 6?
So how many times, Gabby? 1 times 4?
4.
Kendra? Am I done?
No.
What do I do now? So how many times 4 go into 20? 5 times 4? Hold it. 20. Which is? So then what's the label?
Money.
Nigel?
Yes, I hope I don't go to that flower shop to get flowers.
Rip off.
That is a rip-off. $15 for 4 roses.
There's the last fucking roses on her.
Okay, so we're gonna do one more and then I'll start our clickers because I think 6 or 7 questions for clickers. Let's see. Okay. I know, but I like hearing you guys teach, and I think you guys enjoy it. So, Kara and her 4 friends went camping. Each day they hiked 2 miles before lunch and 3 miles after lunch. How many total miles did the girls hike on their camping trip? What's our problem?
2 plus 3.
Well, what do we not know? Jenny. How many days they went camping, right? Let's say they went camping for, somebody give me a number, over 10.
20.
Reagan, give me a number over 10. Over 10.
100.
That's a little high. Maybe like, yes,
25.
25. All right, so they went camping for 25 days. So, and I'll reread the problem. So they went camping for 25 days. Kara and her 4 friends. Each day they hiked 2 miles before lunch and 3 miles after lunch. How many total miles did all of the girls hike on their camping trip? There's a second step to this that I don't want you to skip. It says the total that all of the girls hiked.
So, 2 plus 2.
So first you're going to have to do something and then you can do what we just added to it.
You have to add all the numbers.
Right? Okay, so that's what most people are gonna do. I'm gonna see if somebody catches what I'm saying.
How much?
Okay. So I'm gonna put it in a different way. Say this was like people were losing weight, and you said that. Just listen to my analogy. So if you were saying that like a group of 4 girls lost 20 pounds, right? A piece, Because each of these girls walked those miles, right? So we need to know there's an extra step. No. There it is.
Wait, what's the
Oh my God. And then, yes, perfect. Jenny, come show us. Oh, not quite. Jenny's gonna come show you. Dun dun dun.
How many people are there total? Four.
Ah, there's not 4. Nigel, who are they missing?
They were missing
The guy.
Kara, right?
So there's 5. How many times did they run total every day? What's 5 plus 3?
8 miles.
So how many miles did they run a day? Or hike a day?
8 times 25.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
8 times 25.
Now what do we do?
You didn't believe that.
What?
8 times 25. Why is she doing that?
You. Because they hike, or they're there for 25 days and hike 8 miles a day.
Okay.
What is 8 times 5? You. Where do we put the 4? You. Where do we put the 0? You. Under the What's 8 times 2? You. 20 if you add the 4.
Table 4.
Now what do we do?
What step were most of us missing?
Divided by 5. You. 25 times 5? Nope. I was too busy too. 200 times 5? Yeah.
Why did she do that? Why did Lucky choose to do 200 times 5, Kira?
Because there are 5 people total.
Right.
Okay. What's 5 times 0? Jaden. 0. What's 5 times 0 again? Jaslyn. What's 5 times 2? Maria. What do we label it? Jonathan. What is our answer? You.
Total, right?
Yeah. Just Jasper.
That made that number a lot bigger, right? After you multiplied it? Perfect. So pay attention to questions like that because they're trying to trick you. Because most of you did that. You did what? 25 times? 5. Yes?
I did 20 times.
All right. So, what is the reason for me letting you guys teach? Why do you think it benefits you more than me just standing up here and teaching? Brandon.
Because you get to do it.
Not necessarily. Nathan. Oh, okay. Gabby. You learn right while you teach. Do you think that I learn while I teach you guys? Yeah, absolutely, right? So, that's why I enjoy letting you guys teach. Okay, so we're going to do clickers. I only have like 6 or 7 questions because a lot of the questions on your test. Now, after the 2 reviews we've had, where do most of my questions come from?
The 10.
They're pretty similar, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they just have different names, different numbers. Gabby. Is it gonna be what? Yes. Oh, I think I only have one. I think maybe two. But they're all relevant. So I'm gonna have you do these questions. I'm gonna pass out these clickers, and then yeah, we made them white so you can see them. Okay, when I call your number, come up and grab your clicker. 1, 2. Forward, ready? Go ahead. Nigel, come grab yours. 5. Brandon, sit. 5, 6. Brandon, erase. And I don't know why you guys have the whiteboards up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5th grade. What did I say? Thank you.
I am so sorry.
11, 12, 13. What are you?
11.
13, 14.
Great.
15, 16.
Great.
Are you 15? Oh, yeah. Okay. You're 16 now? Who's 15? 18, 19, 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Oh, Nathan's in rush. Okay. Let me grab my phone. All right. I'm waiting on you, or we can just go back to doing boring stuff.
No.
Does anybody
Does anybody in here need their picture retaken? I don't think anybody brought theirs. Yeah. Wait, are you? No, we're good. Alright.
We have to choose this day for the picture retake.
Thank you, Lucky.
Great. I'm just waiting. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 8. All right. So these are all. Where do you think they're from? Nathan. Oh, here. You were in the restroom. Here you go. So don't mess these cards up because Miss Freeman might take these and laminate these since we had some.
I made a second set.
Oh.
I put them in the laminating box, so.
Perfect. Okay.
The pictures look so good.
All right. So our first question, we'll start with this one. I don't want people shouting out the answer. Hi, you. Come on.
It says a verification.
It's loading.
Okay. This is why I need you to show your work, right? Because these are questions Where if you mess up 1-0, your answer is wrong. Woo, we need to see some people working out their work for this because just because it looks like an easy problem.
I'll work it out.
Here, did I get you? There shouldn't be any talking. Missing Tori, Andy Atson.
I think she got mine wrong. 80 divided by
Alright. You ready? Woo! Listen! This proves, this revealing of this answer is going to prove that you need to show your work tomorrow.
Actually, Monday.
Or Monday. What's our problem? When you do it in your head, what happens?
You get it wrong.
Not all the time, but a question like this, you need to make sure that how can you check your answer? Jenny.
Multiplying 80 in your answer.
Right, multiplying whatever your answer is, right? What is our correct answer? D is my correct answer. So, let's do it really fast. So you have, we have 64,000 divided by 80. How many times does 80 go into 64?
2 0.
0. How many times does 80 go into, or 8 go into 64?
1 2
8 goes into 64 how many times? So 8 goes into, or 80 goes into 640 how many times? 640. How many zeros do I have left? Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so if I see another one of these problems, before you show me your card, I need some answers. Tori.
Miss Jasper told, or Miss Spearman told us that we can X out 1 0 out from at the end.
Yeah, you can do that too.
And one off the strategy. 4,000.
Absolutely.
And that's what I used to do.
And you got it right.
Easier.
Right?
I was like trying to multiply with
Perfect. So what she's saying is take 80 divided by, or 64,000 divided by 80, cross off 1 0, cross off 1 0. How many zeros are you going to have left? 2, right? Perfect. All right, let's go to the next one.
Are you going to do names?
There's only one name. I don't know. There's a lot of talking though. Okay.
Is that there?
No. I'll read it out loud too. For our Veterans Assembly, we will need to print 197 programs. If 41 programs fit in a box, how many boxes of programs will we need? Savannah, are you holding yours up? Oh. I'm missing a lot. So I still need Nigel, Lucky, Gabby, Maria, and Edson, and Drake. Oh.